DPS and drop E with me. Careful, Shaper. Def now. Oh, they have to engage now. Heals on Silicon.
Oh, no.
My god. Hold. They have Shaper, okay? Careful. Silicon, you regear fast, bro. Go. Don't just stay there. Hold. Come southwest more. Def now. Def. Yo, hit this bastion. CC the bastion. Balista. Okay, hold. Come back. Don't do anything. They have bedrocks and everything. Careful, don't get kidnapped. My Battlemon, you need to step up, my Battlemons. Like, don't let us get kidnapped. Def now. Get ready northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, northeast now. Hit. And come southwest. Def now. Come southwest. Demons. Come southwest. Come southwest now. Guys, they're killing us one by one. You need to be careful. My defensive need to win point. Okay, wait. Is the Shaper like 8-3?
Oh, 8-3.
Okay, my brawlers, you brawl now, okay? Don't E with me. Def now. Now we walk in. Ditang walking. Careful on the Shaper on the north. Shaper is stacking, okay? Get ready defense on the north. Defense on the choke.
Shaper.
Yo, look at the choke only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Hit the choke. Okay, come southwest. You guys are right. Come southwest. Rigger. Come southwest. We kite. Come southwest. Kite southwest. We full kite southwest. Rigger fast. I don't have my DPS. Come southwest more. Yo, give up the choke. Come southwest. We're gonna get fucked by the Shaper. Come southwest. I wait my DPS. I lost like 2 DPS. Hold now. Hold. Just hold. Don't do anything. Come southwest. Kite southwest. We full kite southwest. Don't move with the following, okay? My D-tank, come to me. Come southwest.
Following sila kaya.
Come southwest. I'll wait for my regear. I don't have my club DPS right now.
Pushing sila.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going to me.
Full push sila kay.
Sige lang. I'll force open. Come southwest.
Nag-G, lugod mo.
Yo,
Ay,
kill the
nag-left
front. Don't die. Come southwest more. I'm waiting for Cellulose and Cockbra and Selma. Tell me if you guys are ready. Come southwest. I'm not gonna fight without this. Come southwest, hold down. Keep going southwest. Map check. Cellulose, Cockbra, and Selma.
They're catching LBM Legacy.
Come southwest, guys. Come southwest more. Come to me. I'm waiting for my rig gear. Come to me.
Zoning.
Come to me.
Nising
Hold
kami
na,
Nahuli yung BM mo, ah.
Sige lang, nandito ako. Hold now. Hold. Spread, okay, hold. Come southwest. Kahit a little bit southwest. I'm waiting for my carving, my
They're
DPS.
going back to.
Okay, come southwest. It's okay. Come southwest.
Screen.
Okay. Hold. Kamini.
One screen.
Kamini. Okay, Ditangs walk into them. All the Ditangs walk into them. Walk into them, man. Walk into them. Look at the east side. Look at the northeast. Northeast on me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, on me now. And come south now. They're gonna look from the choke, okay? Come south. Brawlers, don't go in yet. Come south. Def ready. Brawl inside only. Def now. Def. Now walk in. Walk in. Walk in. Up the hill and walk in. Do not clamp on the choke. Def ready. Def. Now keep walking through. Heal and walk in. Heal, heal, heal. Fakes now, fakes now, fakes now, fakes now. Brawl now, brawl now. Yo, Shaper coming, okay? Shaper coming, Shaper coming, Shaper coming. Keep brawling, keep brawling. Look at me, find me, find me. Make clamp, make clamp, make clamp, make clamp. On me, 5, 4, 3, 2, on me now, on me now, on me now, on me now, on me now. Good. And come northeast, come northeast. Keep pushing them northeast and spread. Push and spread, push and spread, push and spread. Don't let them breath. Keep pushing and spread, keep pushing and spread. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Tell me if they're looking, okay? Hold now, hold now, hold now, hold now. Hold now. Yo, we kill the guy inside. Come back southwest, come back southwest, come back southwest. We kill the guy inside, we kill the guy inside. CC them inside. Def now, def front. Yo, we're gonna kill the people inside. We're gonna kill the people inside. On me, get ready on me, get ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside now, inside now, inside now, inside now, inside now. You need to kill this, you need to kill this, you need to kill this. Hold now, hold now, hold now. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Tell me if they coming, okay? Come southwest, come southwest. CC them southwest, CC them. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Tell me if they engage, okay? They're gonna engage soon. Wait. Hold. I need guard runes on that choke, okay? Wait. Let's wait for the Shaper to engage. Come southwest more, come southwest more. You get pulled by the fucking earth rune. They're ready. They're looking. Give me fakes now. Fake. On the wait. Hold.
Where's a lot of
Hold.
shelter?
Yeah. Come southwest. Double OC input check. Hold now, okay, hold now. Tell me if they engage. Wait. Ready potion, okay? Ready potion. Yo, kasha ditang. Wait. Come southwest. We kill the cheater southwest. Come southwest. Kasha cheater southwest. Catch him. Boots. Ditang go in. Fuck it, just ditang go in. Ditang go in. Cleanse me. Keep going. You need to cleanse me. Come in. Get ready defensive on the front, okay? Ready
They're full
defensive on
run
the
into
front.
choke.
Ready defensive on the front. Yo, catch him on the choke, get ready. Wait. Look at southeast on the choke, okay? Walk. Just walk. Tell me if they engage, okay? Yo, look at me. Look at inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside now. You need to kill inside. You need to kill the clerical guy. Kill this guy. That's the Bastion. Kill the guy. Yo, heal front. You kill the Bastion. Heal front, southeast. Heal southeast. Brawl inside. Someone die? Come southwest. Come southwest. Going southwest.
They're coming.
Going southwest. Yo, they're coming. They're ready. Look at the choke, everyone. Look at the choke. Southeast on the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the choke now. And come southwest. CC them. GA them. Come southwest. Def now. Heal the front. CC them. Can you CC them? Give me fakes now. Fake on the choke southeast. Fakes on the choke southeast. Wait. Southeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on this guy. Kill this guy. The nature guy. Def now. Come back southwest. Can you kill this guy? He's AFK. Can you kill him? Okay, come southwest. Don't play choke. We don't play choke. Yo, come southwest. Kill this fucking rats. Come southwest.
Safe.
Come southwest, boys. Bait them southwest. Pop your boots. Come southwest. If you die, I don't know. Come southwest.
They're following.
Okay.
Half screen behind you.
Come southwest more.
They're looking.
Come southwest more. My D-tanks, don't let them kite through the choke, okay? Come southwest, we kite more. Come southwest more. Come southwest. We're gonna go southwest. Def now. Yo, wrap around them now. All the side. We're gonna meet on the choke southeast, okay? I need you to CC southeast choke. Walk into them.
Holding them,
Yo, just wrap around them. CC them. Look at the choke, okay? Fake on the choke now. Fake on the choke. You look at me, southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, and everything on the choke. Nice. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest.
They're coming,
Come
they're
southwest.
coming, they're coming.
Help the choke, help the choke, help the choke, help the choke. Defense on the choke now. Defend now, 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 def. Focus on W's inside only. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest. Tell me if you're ready, DPS. Come southwest, come southwest. Shaper, 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 shaper. Shaper, shaper. Yo, look at southeast on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now, southeast now, southeast now, southeast now, southeast now. See this guy? Come northwest, come northwest. We good, we good. Come northwest. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest, man. Come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest. Yo, can you catch? Boots, 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 boots. Catch him, catch him, catch him. Boots in, boots in, boots in, boots in, boots in. Boots in southwest, boots in southwest, boots in southwest. Catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him, catch him. Kill this guy, kill this guy, kill this guy. Kill the rats, kill the rats, kill the rats. Keep going southwest. Tell me if they're following, okay? Kill this guy, kill this guy. Wait, wait. I need all my exalted to be, you know. Wait,
They
wait.
hit,
Def now, def now, def now, def now.
they hit.
Okay, boots in, boots in, boots in, boots in. CC them, CC them, CC them, CC them, CC them. CC them. Guard rune now, guard runes now, guard runes now. Yo, on me, Grady. Behemoth, behemoth, on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now, inside now, inside now, inside now, inside now. Good man, good man. Come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest. Finish the guy inside, finish the guy inside. Come northwest, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest. Potion, come northwest, come northwest, come northwest. Come northwest, come northwest. Nobody die, nobody die, nobody die. Come northwest. Def now, def now, def now, def now. You look at the southeast, look at the southeast. Wait, wait. Southeast, southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now, southeast now, southeast now, southeast now. And come back northwest again, come back northwest again, come back northwest again. Come back northwest, come back northwest, come back northwest. Def ready, locus and come back, locus and come back, locus and come back. Listen to me, all my DPS play clap with me, okay? Yo, do not stay on the choke. They're gonna engage on you. Shaper now, shaper coming, shaper coming. Behemoth, tell me if you're ready. Yo, they're kidnapping, they're kidnapping, they're kidnapped. They're kidnapped. Careful, careful, careful.
I'm Rizzy now, 1k.
Okay, okay, hold. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest. Take space on my northwest, take space on my northwest. Take space on my northwest. Yo, I need someone playing offensive GA. Like, when they engage, full GA them. Def now, def now. Def ready, def ready, def ready. Def ready, def ready. Wait. Hold. Yo, southeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now. And come back. Def. Pull def. Come southwest. Come southwest. The shaper's gonna come soon. You need to come southwest, including my D-tanks. Come southwest. Good. Hold now. Zorakas, why are you mounting up there?
So many shader. I can mount up.
Hold.
Wait, I'm on top.
Hold. When I call 5, you drop E, okay? Hold.
Okay.
Hold. Yo, on this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy now. Need to kill him. Yo, my brawler. Wait. Execute him. Def now. Def. Come back. Too slow. Fuck this rats. Def now. Heal front. Heal the front. Tell me if you're ready. Hold.
Ready.
Yo, heal near Boo.
Ay.
They're coming out.
Wait. Yo, Piaya, can you fake? Fake now. Wait.
They're looking on the front.
Yo, look at Shotty shallow. Behemoth him now. Behemoth. Shallow only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. You need to exalted me, man. Drop on me. Where's my exalted? You need to exalted shallow. I cannot do anything. Come southwest.
Exalted naman ah.
Okay, you need to tell me next time. Come southwest.
Yeah.
Kiss and W. Yo, they're gonna look shallow again, okay? We're gonna kill their D-tanks. Wait, they're gonna look soon. Def now. Okay, shallow only. System shallow. CC them. Wait. Come back. Def now. Yo, counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter now. You need to hit the choke. Kill all of them, 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 kill all of
Okay,
them.
bara kill mo.
Yo, def ready, def ready, def ready, def ready. Come back northwest. Locus and come back, locus and come back, locus and come back. Locus and come back.
Yeah,
Locus and
yeah,
come back.
heal the front, heal the front, heal the southeast.
Yo, heal front, heal front. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Yo, kill the rat southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Kill the rat, kill the rat, kill the rat. Catch all the rat.
naman natin.
Catch all the rat. Yo, my chariot, do your job. Kill the rats, kill the rats. Come southwest, come southwest. Where's my chariot? Corvus, you need to give the mana, bro. Yo, kill the rat, kill the rat.
Oh,
Come
Jamie.
southwest.
Bro, half the time I'm out of mana.
You can play offensive too. Yeah. Me offensive, you defensive. Go.
So Tarno, you play engage on me now, okay?
Okay, okay.
Wait,
I think the Shaper died.
wait. Yo, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest. Yo, my Infinity Blade, I told you to drop E with me. You need to come with me. Come southwest, don't die, don't die. Come southwest, catch southwest. My bottom on them. Come southwest. Come southwest. Catch him southwest, catch him southwest. Southwest on me, deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest,
There,
southwest.
Carl. Go na engage.
Keep going southwest, keep going southwest. May ditang, don't hold there. Come southwest.
Northeast, they coming out. Someone get caught.
Those is
Yo,
coming.
def. Come in. 10 seconds. Come in. We're gonna look northwest here, okay? Come in. Yo, cleanse me, man. Cleanse me. Come in. Yo, CC them. Look at the tank inside. CC the tanks inside. Exalted now. Look at the choke, okay? Look at the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On Baragi. You need to kill Baragi now. Kill them. Okay, come southwest. Good. Come southwest. Stop getting kidnapped, man. Come southwest. My ditang, come southwest. You're gonna die. Ram, you're gonna die. Def now. Def. Come southwest. Yo, look at southeast shallow. CC them southeast. 5, 4, 3. Wait. 2, 1. Now. Drop in now. Okay, come southwest. Come northwest. Locus, fuck these rats.
Yeah, these rats are like so annoying.
Yo, I need D-tank like mounted up, like 1 D-tank. Yo, Shaper.
That's right.
We need to hit big boys. My Infinity Blade, you drop E with me. Spread. Hyper, when they kite, you GA them, okay? My D-tank, you full CC them. Wait. My behag ready.
I go to their back line, right? Or no?
No need. Come.
Oh, no need.
Yo, they're
Oh,
fucking
wait.
kidnapping. Come southeast. Wait. They full engage you. Wait. Yo, heal.
Yeah, they will get
Yo. Shallow on me. CC them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. Hit now. My exalted. No, exalted. Come back northwest. We're losing the choke fight, boys. You're not dropping with me. Come southwest. We pull them southwest. A lot of rat. Come southwest. Full kite. Boots in. Catch these rats. Can I clear call? Fake now. Fake now. Fake now. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kill him.
There,
Come
go na
southwest.
engage.
Def now. Pull them. Exalted. Come southwest. Come southwest.
East side, stay here. Okay,
Shaper, Shaper.
Come southwest. You look at the east side. Walk in. Wrap around them. Walk in. Give me fakes now. Look at me. Look at the D-tanks inside. CC them inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Kill the D-tank. You need to kill the D-tank inside. Kill the D-tanks inside. Kill this guy. Can you execute? Execute him. Come to southwest. 10 seconds to engage. Come southwest.
Saber, saber.
Saber,
Shaper. Yo, CC them. Look at the choke. Fake on the choke. On the choke, get ready. 5. Wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. On choke now. And spread and ball. Don't go past the choke.
Oh,
Don't go past the
Chai
choke.
is dead.
Don't go past the choke. Come back. Potion on the choke. Come southwest. We getting kidnapped southwest. Come southwest. Catch him southwest. Full catch him southwest. Come southwest.
Here, safe.
Shaper. Catch southwest, guys. Full catch southwest. Yo, heal the.
They're walking out.
Come in now. Any. Fakes now. Fake now. Fake now. CC them. Behemoth now. On me. Get ready. 5.
Here, safe.
Wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. More damage? Okay, come southwest. Full kiting southwest, okay? Full kiting southwest. My D-tank careful. Kate, be careful. They're gonna full engage on you. Come southwest. Shaper. Def now.
Coming.
They have one more. Heal me. Wait. Yo, CC them. Do you have BH? Hold. CC them. Shallow on Baragi. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. On Baragi. Can you kidnap Baragi?
He's in our backlane.
Kill him. And come southwest. Bro, these rats, man. Come southwest. Cut southwest.
They're looking.
Come southwest.
Shaper.
My BH ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay.
So retarded.
Def, wait, fake.
Fake,
Def
fake,
now.
fake.
Def.
Hey, main coming
Behe
now.
now. Yo, exalted now. On me, on the choke. 5. Exalted, please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Kill him. Come back. My exalted, man. Come southwest. Def now. GA them. Come southwest.
No mana, bro.
Come southwest. Corvus, are you doing your job, man? Def now. Bro!
What the fuck?
Come southwest. Can you spam mana if you need mana? Yo, come southwest. Butsin. Yo, southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. You kill this. Okay, kami ni. Man, I'm 100% sure they're paying these rats. Impossible if we're the only one.
Yeah. They're purposely doing that.
Oh, see mo
Double
1 kaya.
slowly, 10
10 minutes.
left.
It's okay. We're dead right now. Wait. Come see. Yo, catch him. Kill this guy. 8, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch him. Kill this guy. GG? Really?
GG.
Yo, GG.
Stop.